XRP is going to flip Bitcoin soon. That's right, guys. Watch this video until the very end to find out exactly how XRP is going to flip Bitcoin. I'm not a financial advisor. We're going to start first, though, by discussing, can XRP flip Ethereum? Obviously, Ethereum is right above XRP, or it's been in that number 2 spot for quite a long time. XRP has been in the number 2 spot before, by the way, if you didn't know that. XRP, back in 2019, I believe it was, it did briefly pass Ethereum, and for a long time, it was above Ethereum. It's been a very important crypto in the space for quite a long time. The thing is, everybody can look at XRP now, I believe, and begin to understand that this is going to be a TradFi play, and that this is going to be a significant financial player in the economic system of the world. It's favorable for both BRICS and the Western side, or the IMF nations, as they are called. I have been forced to run a red light, guys. Someone had a gun to my head. But anyways, I digress. The point is that when it comes to XRP, people can see the implications, the Grayscale XRP trust that's going to eventually become an XRP ETF. Most likely, in my opinion, hopefully, before the end of next year, before the end of this bull run, I believe that it will happen. But I haven't been guaranteed that, and that's not a guarantee, and I'm not saying it definitely will, it's just my opinion. Now, when it comes to Ethereum versus XRP, can XRP pass Ethereum in this bull run? And what I would say to that is, I would like to tell you what Mr. X told me, our friend that knows everything seemingly, told me about this. I asked him about this very subject. I said, is this something that I need to pay attention to? Can XRP pass Ethereum again? And basically what I was told is that Ethereum will continue to be an institutional investment vehicle. It is now, like I've been telling everyone, adopted by enterprise and adopted by the institutions. Users, everyday people, retail, they're not going to use Ethereum that much, if at all, really, because all of the dApps are going to move to other places like Solana and Sui. And you have to understand that when it comes to the value of Ethereum, it's going to continue to stay high, relatively speaking. It's going to become less volatile like Bitcoin is. It's going to become even less volatile than Bitcoin, most likely, in my opinion. And the thing is you have to remember, one of the reasons why people don't like the Ethereum platform is because it's very slow and it's clunky, but it's slow compared to other blockchains like Sui and Solana. It's still faster than just about anything else in the financial world, correct? So what that means is that enterprise and institution, they don't need everything to be just immediate. They've got time. They can sit back, they can wait on their DeFi gains for it to be slow. They don't need to move things around too much. And they've kind of moved out retail so they can use Ethereum the way they want to use it and really have, I don't know, almost like a little seclusion over there from the retail world. And that's what we're going to see. So can XRP flip Ethereum in market cap in this bull run? I believe the answer to that question is absolutely yes. I do believe it can happen. The things that Mr. X has told me about Ethereum compared to the things he's told me about XRP says it's not a sure thing. It's not guaranteed to happen. It's not guaranteed Ethereum's going to stay in the lead, and it's not guaranteed that XRP is going to pass it. But what is guaranteed is that both of these coins, no matter how well you think Ethereum is doing now, they will remain relevant. And they will continue to be where TradFi puts their money, I believe, in many cases. Now, let's move to the big question of the day. There's not any question, I said it. XRP will flip Bitcoin soon. What do I mean? Will XRP flip Bitcoin in market cap? No, no, it's not going to do that anytime soon. One day, maybe, I don't know, potentially, could be. I don't think ever, but maybe, I don't know. We don't need XRP to go to the market cap of Bitcoin to make more returns with XRP than Bitcoin. Remember that, okay? But the interesting thing here is that it will flip Bitcoin dominance. That's right, guys. One of the hallmarks of the 2017 bull run was XRP's move against Bitcoin, gaining so much percentage against the Bitcoin price that it made so much more money for people than even Bitcoin made, which was unbelievable returns back in 2017. I was there. As you guys know, I've been at all the bull runs. I've been there. Okay? So this isn't from someone who wasn't there. I was there. I know. You see, in the last bull run, XRP was suppressed because of the SEC case, and it didn't have the opportunity to have that massive run up against Bitcoin. And what do we mean by this? Let me break this down for you guys that might be new or you might be listening trying to understand what we mean. Okay? When I say it's going to flip the dominance, what this means is if your coin outperforms another asset like Bitcoin, then it's eating away at the dominance of that coin because it's gaining more ground and it's building its own kind of dominance, right? So like Ethereum and Bitcoin, for instance, let's think about this. If Bitcoin drops in price, but Ethereum goes up in price, then Ethereum is going to be raising in value compared to Bitcoin. However, a lot of times it's vice versa. Ethereum is going down and Bitcoin's going up, and Ethereum is losing share against Bitcoin, so its dominance level is going down, okay? For XRP to get where we all want it to go, we needed to eat away at the Bitcoin dominance. We needed to outperform the Bitcoin returns. And I believe that XRP is going to have two, not one, but two massive moves against Bitcoin, where it's going to be way more advantageous to hold XRP than Bitcoin. And I believe that that period specifically you're going to want to gear up for is going to be right between potentially Thanksgiving and the first 2 weeks of December. Let me know your thoughts. Comment down below. So I got. Be blessed. Way out.